Hello, Mr. Leopoldsberger. I have your Time Sonar here. 7015 Time Sonar. You said you bought this a few years back and you didn't know the service history, so you had it surfaced locally, but that didn't go well, and there's a big fingerprint on your dial. What's that about? But anyway, you serviced it locally, and then it stopped working for you, and the upper button does not function. Let me get this bracelet off of here. Got that. Okay. Well, I think first things first. Let's get that case back off. See what we can do. Hey, your case back is in pretty good condition. I don't see that a lot of that crazing that these acrylic backs get sometimes. That's nice. Well, your weight is junk. Tell you that for nothing. So it might not be working because the weight isn't winding, possibly. Junk, junk, junky, junk. Is it even winding? No, it's not even, it's barely winding. Well, the problem is that the pawl lever got put in upside down, so it's not winding. That's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be the short one on this side. So the person took the thing apart and then put that in upside down, I believe. So anyway, not winding, that's a major problem. Okay. And you also said that the upper button is not working. Oh, would you stop that? I think that dropped into the wrong place. It's, oh, well, duh, Spencer. Okay, yeah, what happened is this lever got on the wrong side of the spring. go. Still not clicking though. This gasket's hard. Well, it's a runner. Okay, it clicked a couple times for me, but then stopped. It's still funky. I'll find what I... Well, there's something up with this lever and the tip of it not interacting with that stop-start as well as it should. So there's something up in the movement. But it's a runner. It doesn't look bad. It's running really weakly. I mean, it's at full power and it's not real happy. Boy, that weight is just junk. You sent along another watch to use as parts if necessary. I don't think I'm going to need to do that. I have movement parts and things for this watch. The movement looks a lot better than most of these I've seen. A lot of times water got into these and then they rusted. This one isn't actually that rusty. It looks pretty clean. Your weight's bad. The only thing about the weight that's unfortunate is these sonars came with this black anodized weight. It was specific to the Time Sonars. I don't have one, so you're going to get a silver one. And that's just the way it's got to be. Okay, that's fine enough for now. Date, go as they should. And it resets to just like a few percentage points of a second before top dead center. That's it. I mean, cosmetically, it's great. Cosmetically, it's great. Let me rip into it. I don't think this watch is complete. It's original. I wouldn't want to rip into something like this. I have parts watches. I have parts. So we'll leave that one alone. And this one I think should be relatively straightforward. I just don't know what's going on with this. There. Good stop it. Wait, and now it's to that side? Okay, so it actually resets a little before top dead center. That's something that's set by that hand tube right there. I can't adjust that at all. They were set from that, darn it. They were set from the factory. Let's try this again, come on. There we go. I think generally it's going to be a straightforward service. I wouldn't worry too much about it. And your case looks great. Your crystal has been polished, but it's not bad. I would just leave it. I bet you your gaskets are junk. Oh, the only other thing I felt, your cannon pinion is loose. It should not be that easy for me to turn this thing. It's possible that I might have to repair or replace your cannon pinion, but we'll see. Okay, let me know if you've got any questions. Thank you.